everyone, and welcome back to TBOQ Crochet. I hope everybody is doing great today, and I believe you may see this video on Wednesday. So I wanted to come with July's bag, but before I go into July's bag, I want to say that this month will be my last month doing the bag of the month for a while. I will go back to it, but for the meantime, this bag will be the last bag of the month for this year, because I'm about to go into working on some Christmas projects. In my a little short that I did of me straightening up my yarn wall, I forgot I had Big Twist t-shirt yarn. Well, Big Twist t-shirt yarn is was an item of Joann's and Michael's, Hirschner's, and I think that is just those two that is carrying the Big Twist brand at the moment, but they're not carrying the Big Twist t-shirt yarn. So, and I don't know if anybody will ever carry the Big Twist t-shirt yarn. So I decided to take that yarn and get rid of it. I believe I have about 4 or 5 different colors. So I'm just gonna mix up those colors and make some bags. And they'll be my Christmas gift bags that I decide to just give somebody with. So that is that. So that is where I'm at with the t-shirt yarn from Joann's, the Big Twist t-shirt yarn, and doing bags of the month. Because if I was to keep that yarn, or if I was to make something else with the yarn, I wouldn't be able to find it to actually make a second item. So therefore I just, hey, might as well get rid of it and just let it go. It is a good t-shirt yarn to use. I really like and enjoy working with the that t-shirt yarn. So I will miss it, but hey, gotta move on. So without further ado, this is July's bag. I didn't use a false bottom. I created on the bottom for this bag. Excuse me. I know she probably look a little busy, just because I crocheted a heart in we're using metallic silver like ribbon. And then I also did this heart and put this this full diamond crusted, where it's a CZ crusted rose in the middle of it. And you can actually, you could take it and remove it. You could remove it. You can also remove this if you want to. And you just put it back on. So it's not that hard to put back on, but because it has the little clip on it. So yeah, you can take this this off, this little charm off. So I decided to put those charms on. It has the TBOQ acrylic label in silver. I put some faux pearl straps on her. And she is done with white t-shirt yarn. Now this t-shirt yarn is Big Twist yarn that I decided to use for her. Just because my bags of the month, they are like one of a kind bags. I won't like duplicate a bag of the month. Just because. So I decided to use some of that t-shirt yarn to create this bag and get rid of it. But I also decided that I won't be making any other bags of the month with Big Twist t-shirt yarn. So this is her inside. She has TBOQ label in the inside. I put 2 snaps on her, even though this is a like one of those kiss closures. The purse frame, I want to say, I did put a snap closure inside as well, just because the thickness of it didn't like want to close all the way, but with the snap closure, it closes. So her inside is black, gray, and white. And like I said, she has a TBOQ tag in the inside. And so when you close her, you just close up that closure and she closes with no problem. Like I said, I made the bottom. So this is the bag of the month for the month of July. Her name is Zola. Zola. Z-O-L-A. And she means calm, quiet, or peaceful. So that is her. I have to take pictures of her, so she most likely will be up. Like I said, you've seen this video on Wednesday, so she will probably be up by Saturday this weekend. Once I finish taking pictures of her, I think she came out really, really cute. She was looking a little busy, just with everything that I decided to create her with. But I actually like the way she came out. I really like the way she came out. And if you want to, you can actually take these, the straps, the pearl straps, you could take them off too and just, you can hold her. But I mainly put the straps on because, you know, she's white. And sometimes, you know, even though we try our best to keep our white clean as ladies, sometimes things they just happen. So that's why I added the straps to her. But hopefully whoever her owner is or become, how she's going to, should I say, hopefully, you know, that lady, you know, takes pride in her and making sure that she stays clean. I would say if you get her dirty, to just like spot clean her with a mild detergent and some water, and then just let her dry. Just let her air dry, and that's it. So this is a Zola or if you want to pronounce it Zola, and she means calm, quiet, or peaceful. So guys, that is it for this bag of the month video. If you like what you're seeing in this video, give me a thumbs up, comment, subscribe to the channel if you haven't already subscribed. And before I go, stay safe, stay blessed, and know you are a queen. I see you in the next one, guys. Bye.